How to fix Ghost of Tsushima save data lost after power outage by deleting latest save file. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Losing game progress, especially in an epic title like Ghost of Tsushima, can be incredibly frustrating, particularly when unexpected power outages strike, corrupting your precious save data. This deep dive guide will meticulously walk you through a proven method to recover your progress by intelligently managing and potentially removing problematic save files, ensuring your journey as Jin Sakai continues uninterrupted. Power fluctuations can abruptly terminate write operations to your storage drive, leaving save files in an inconsistent or partially written state, which the game then interprets as corrupt or invalid. This often results in the game creating a new default save file or reverting to an earlier, uncorrupted state, leading to the perception of lost progress. Initial game restart and system check. First, perform a clean restart of Ghost of Tsushima and your entire gaming system. This ensures no residual memory or temporary file issues are contributing to the perceived data loss, providing a fresh state for troubleshooting. Locating Ghost of Tsushima save data folder. Navigate to the game's primary save data directory, which is typically found within your Documents folder, under a subfolder named Ghost of Tsushima PC or a similar structure. For many titles, this path often follows /users /documents /Ghost of Tsushima PC /saves or a path within the Steam user data. Identifying the latest corrupted save file. Inside the save folder, sort files by date modified to identify the most recent save file. A corrupted save often corresponds to the exact timestamp of the power outage or immediately after the game crashed. Recognizing anomalous save file sizes. Examine the file sizes of the recent saves. A corrupted file might exhibit an unusually small size, indicating incomplete data, or an abnormally large size due to junk data. Compare its size with known good save files if you have any reference from a previous stable state. Backup suspect save files before deletion. Before initiating any deletion, create a separate backup folder on your desktop and copy all suspect save files into it. This crucial step ensures that you can revert changes if the deletion doesn't resolve the issue or inadvertently removes a vital file. Deleting the identified corrupted save file. Once backed up and confidently identified, proceed to delete only the latest, most suspect save file from the game's save directory. Avoid deleting entire folders or multiple files unless explicitly instructed, as this could lead to more significant data loss. Verifying game file integrity via Platform Client. For Steam users, right-click Ghost of Tsushima in your library, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Epic Games Launcher has a similar Verify option, which checks for missing or corrupted game assets, separate from your personal save data. Temporarily disabling cloud saves. Temporarily disable cloud synchronization for Ghost of Tsushima within your platform's client, Steam, Epic Games. This prevents the cloud from potentially re-downloading a corrupted version of the save file after you've manually deleted the problematic local one. Launching Ghost of Tsushima to test recovery. Launch Ghost of Tsushima and select Continue or Load Game from the main menu. The game should now ideally load the second-to-last valid save file, allowing you to resume your progress from a point just prior to the power outage. Creating a new, safe manual save file. Once back in the game, immediately find a safe spot and perform a manual save. This action establishes a new, uncorrupted reference point for your progress, solidifying your recovery and providing a clean slate. Re-enabling cloud saves and syncing correctly. After successfully creating a new save, re-enable cloud synchronization for Ghost of Tsushima. When prompted about conflicting files, choose to upload your local, now corrected save data to the cloud, overriding any older, potentially problematic cloud versions. Checking for game client and game updates. Ensure your game and your gaming client, Steam, Epic, are updated to the latest versions, as developers often release patches addressing save file stability and handling of unexpected game shutdowns. Outdated versions can sometimes be more susceptible to corruption issues. Reviewing system event logs for clues. For advanced troubleshooting, open Windows Event Viewer Event for MSC and check system and application logs around the time of the power outage. Look for critical errors or warnings related to disk write operations or game crashes that might provide deeper insights. Performing a disk health check, Chkdsk. Run a disk error check, Chkdsk, on your gaming drive to identify and repair any underlying file system corruption that might contribute to save data issues. Open command prompt as administrator and type chkdsk c/f/r replace c with your gaming drive letter. Optimizing power settings and system stability. Ensure your Windows power settings are optimized for performance during gaming and that your system's components are stable. Checking for any overheating or driver issues that could cause unexpected shutdowns, similar to a power outage. Stable system operation is paramount for data integrity. Considering a UPS for future prevention. To proactively prevent future occurrences, consider investing in an uninterruptible power supply UPS. A UPS provides crucial battery backup during power outages, granting you sufficient time to safely save your game and gracefully shut down your system, protecting your progress and hardware. While save data loss is disheartening, this methodical approach ensures you can often recover your progress and continue your epic journey through feudal Japan. Don't let a power outage halt your legend. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more in-depth technical guides and solutions to keep your gaming and tech experiences running smoothly.